remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. Harina de maíz. Some people call it crema de maíz. My grandmother call it harina de maíz. And what you're going to need here is the yellow corn meal. I have about 1/3 of a cup. You're going to need some white sugar or sugar replacement. Whatever amount, 1/4 cup, maybe 3 tablespoons, whatever you want for your taste. You're also going to need a couple cups of milk. No matter what type of milk, fresh milk, whatever. I'm going with coconut milk. Coconut milk for me. But traditionally, it's regular milk. You need a stick of cinnamon. And you're going to need some star anise, optionally. You can also have some ground cinnamon available. And of course, some vanilla extract. It's very simple. So I have a pot here. Oven is off. You can actually do this in another container and then transfer it here. I don't feel like doing more dishes than I have to. So what I do here, I'm going to put a little bit of my milk, coconut milk in my case. Fresh milk, yours, almond milk, doesn't matter, my friends, it doesn't matter. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the sugar. Amount is to your taste. This might be a little bit too much, so I'm going to use some. Start mixing wooden, just a wooden spoon. Start mixing things. So beautiful. Let me get some of the, a little bit of the, just a cap, just a little bit of the extract. Just a little bit. You know what I mean? Just a little bit. Few drops. Mix. Then you're going to add your yellow caramel. And this stuff you want to mix well before you start cooking. You want to mix it well. If you feel that you need more milk, that's up to you. But before you turn this heat on, make sure everything is mixed well. So you're going to do this like for a couple minutes because you want everything to mix well. Otherwise, you're going to have bumps and hard parts, you know. That's not good. Now that things are mixed well, I turn the heat to medium high. And I'm going to be moving this around, you know, stir. And it's going to be, it depends. I have an electrical stove here. I'll tell you 10 minutes, maybe 15, could be 20. Fact is, you're going to move this around like this until it gets the texture, kind of a somewhat thick texture, creamy and thick, but not hard. But you have to move it because if you don't, what is going to happen is it's going to start bubbling and then you're going to have bumps, hard bumps. And you don't want that. And actually, because I used coconut milk, it actually took me 5 minutes. I guess if I would have used the fresh milk, it would have taken me 10, 15, maybe. But this one only took me 5, 6 minutes. Look at this beauty. Look at this creamy. So what you do, you turn it off and you start getting the stuff ready to serve because you don't want it to get hard.